So, what do you think is a love bite? It's not. What is a love bite?
It's just a bite that somebody just, it's spontaneous, maybe it just comes out.
It's a mark of love.
It's a mark of love.
It's like when you're extremely into the moment and then you start doing things.
Doing things.
When you indulge into the act of love and you
Love.
get passionate and things get steamy, so.
I think it's just a disgusting blood clot. Oh no! That is
Disgusting. No, it's not disgusting. Yeah, sometimes.
I think it's disgusting.
You think it's disgusting?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's just a blood clot that's
You
evident.
don't think it's a sign of love or sign of passion, no?
It's wild.
of being horny.
Yeah. And horny को कौन टाल सकता है?
A little wild expression
Of love.
Yeah.
Something that happens in the moment.
Something that you hide from your parents.
It is very sexual.
I think it's territory marking.
Oh, it's territory marking. So
Yeah.
that's my territory.
Yeah.
You can't go. What's the best place to give or get a love bite?
Where the sun does not shine.
Oh my God.
Behind my ears.
Behind her ears. Very specific.
Maybe the hip bone.
Maybe the hip bone.
And maybe the inner thigh.
We are getting some new spots
On the collarbone.
on the collarbone.
Or on the cheek.
On the cheek.
Yeah, there are
That's too visible.
the neck.
The neck. You were in sync
Somewhere where it isn't visible. For my profession.
for
at
your
least.
profession,
Yeah.
actually.
Bite the cherry.
Oh my God. Bite the cherry. And how do you get a love bite?
How,
Like, how does one get a love bite?
you
Not-
want me to explain the process of
Yeah,
a
you
love
can.
bite?
I don't want a scientific answer, but just a short and simple answer.
Suck on someone's neck, that's how you get a love
Only
bite.
on the neck.
Wherever
Wherever.
you wanna
Suck on
give
someone's
that,
body.
That depends on you.
Capillaries. They.
The scientific terms have come in.
बस जब दो प्यार करने वाले
मिलते हैं.
तो फिर एक दूसरे के साथ अट्रैक्शन
थोड़ा तेज बोल लो.
लव होता
हाँ,
है
love
और
होता
दे
है.
गिव किस एंड
They give kiss. उससे हो जाता है.
Experience?
Experience.
Physically.
Yeah, physically. She got my question. Yeah.
Yeah, physically. Mouth? I don't know.
Mouth, I don't know.
It's an iron deficiency. Basically, you're more prone to getting love bites.
Love.
Suction is applied to the surface of your skin, then your capillaries there, they burst, and then
Yeah,
there's
they
blood which oozes out, but it's internal bleeding, so that's why it appears red. And after some time, after clotting and stuff happens, it clears out. That's why it takes about a week to go.
I couldn't have asked for a better answer than this, a detailed one. What are the excuses people give when they're caught with a love bite?
अरे कितने मच्छर थे रात को खुजा खुजा के पागल हो गया था मैं
या हो गई थी मैं.
या हो गई थी मैं
मैं
सेकंड थिंग
सिर्फ लड़कों को बदनाम मत करो. लड़कियों को भी मिलती हैं.
Okay. Second thing is, I was with you only now. Don't you remember? That's it.
My friend pinched me.
Oh.
Maybe there were ants there, so I was just scratching it or something was, yeah.
नई प्रजाति का कीड़ा
काटा है मेरे को. ऐसा कौन सा कीड़ा है यार?
जो वही तो ऐसे काटता है पता नहीं चलता.
A friend of mine has actually given me a really weird one.
Yeah.
So she started with saying it's an allergy, so I would have believed that. But then she went on to say, so I ate this one food at this one place, and then she gave me the whole katha of how the food is made and then how one particular ingredient, and I was like, were you with your boyfriend yesterday?
Yeah.
She's like, no, yeah, maybe. I
So
don't
she
know.
was trying to play a story around you, but you got her. Put a
Fell
love bite
down.
here. Why? Fell down. On the neck.
Not always on the neck.
Neck.
I tell my parents my friend did it with their hand or my dog bit me.
The dog bit me.
Yeah.
What are the ways to hide a love bite?
Makeup, scarves, high collars.
She has already. Oh my God.
Makeup, don't go home for 2 days.
Don't go home for 2 days. Then you'll get more love bites all over your body. What will you tell your parents? I'm not home because I have love bite. And what if you get more love bites in those 2 days? Won't go home for a month.
An ointment or something.
Ointment.
Which, yeah, saying that, we've got hurt or it's a wound or something, yeah.
High collar tops.
I call
I
it
mean, you can conceal it also.
a For girls, you can do it. For guys, हम क्या करें?
Wear a shirt like this.
These are signs that something is inside.
Guys can grow their hair.
But लव बाइट के लिए पहले बाल बढ़ाऊं फिर कि अरे मैंने बाल बढ़ाए मुझे लव बाइट दे ना.
Planning.
इससे अच्छा तो मैं कहीं नीचे ले लूं यार. Come on यार. बाल बढ़ाऊंगा मैं इतना वेला हूं. Seriously man. क्या?
You're saying that those people who grow their hair are velas.
For a love bite जरा वेला.
Google करो यार बहुत तरीके मिल रहे हैं.
ये लो. ये तो गूगल पे छोड़ दिया.
Don't.
Don't.
Why?
That's the way. क्यों छुपाना है? प्यार की निशानी है। That's the way.
Come for Kaleidoscope, 17th and 18th of September, Sophia College. Some colleges are banned, but hopefully yours won't be.
Or also we don't encourage love bites on campus.
Not on campus,
Outside campus. देखा आपने लोग क्या क्या तरीके अपनाते हैं इसे छुपाने के लिए। अगर आपके पास भी कोई तरीका है तो हमें बताइए, इस वीडियो पे नीचे कमेंट करिए, इस वीडियो को लाइक कीजिए, शेयर कीजिए और हमारे चैनल को ज़रूर सब्सक्राइब कीजिए। मैं आपसे चाहूँगा इजाज़त। दिस इज सिड साइनिंग आउट। टिल देन कीप वॉचिंग बाप ऑफ बकचोद।